Hey everyone, if your Samsung phone keeps showing connection failed when trying to connect to Wi-Fi, don't worry, it's often just a small network issue. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple steps to get it working again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Turn on the Wi-Fi scan throttling. First, open the settings, then scroll down to the bottom and tap Developer Options. Scroll down again, find out Wi-Fi scan throttling, and toggle it on. Solution 2. Forget and reconnect the Wi-Fi network. Go to Settings again, then tap Connection. Tap Wi-Fi, then tap on the settings icon from the right side of your Wi-Fi network name. Tap Forget at the bottom right corner. Now tap on your Wi-Fi network name again. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Make sure to toggle on the Auto Reconnect. Then tap Connect. After that, go ahead to reconnect your Wi-Fi network and check whether your issue is solved or not. Solution 3. Turn on the nearby device scanner. Go to the settings, then tap Connections. Scroll down a bit. Now tap More Connection Settings from the below. Now turn on the nearby device scanning. If still you have the same issue, then follow my next solutions. Solution 4. Check your software update. Go to Settings again, scroll down, then tap Software Update. Tap Download and Install. If you have any updates available, then install it. Solution 5. Reset Wi-Fi settings. Go back to Settings, scroll down, tap General Management. Scroll down again, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Then tap Reset Settings. Wait for a while. Check your issue once again. That should permanently resolve the problem. If you need any help or have a question, feel free to drop it in the comments. I'll reply as soon as I can. Appreciate you watching.